What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight I got another review for you. Of course, it's a new year. I'm going to try to do something new with the background, maybe keep it one solid color. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company that I've done reviews for in the past. The company is known for making futuristic, just badass stuff. The company is called MGear. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, I appreciate all the support and the love on here and over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for all the support. For those of you that showed up at my live stream, me and Beardy Vloggers live stream, thank you so much for that. I appreciate that. If you do not know, I have not been monetized yet. To me, it's no big deal. As I always stated, numbers don't mean nothing to me. It's if I could get good content out to you guys. That's what matters to me. So hopefully everybody enjoyed their time, stopped in, had a couple giveaways, and it was a really awesome, slow night is what it seemed. I appreciate all you guys for stopping in on that as well. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Watch the video and you like it. At the end of the video, please hit that thumbs up. The company is called MGear, and they are known for making futuristic type EDC gear. And to be honest, from the very first thing I got from these guys, just phenomenal stuff. The quality of the products is top notch. It's just so futuristic looking. I'm super glad to be a part of their team, to be able to do this for you guys and for them guys. So tonight we're going to go over some more of their gear. If you're not familiar, I did a review a while back on this little guy right here. I don't know if you guys remember that. Little keychain, and it's got my little face on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But what this is basically you pop that off of there, and it's a little knife. I thought that was pretty cool. What they sent me this time around, I kind of got caught off guard by them. They came out with a notebook that I could use for work, and I seen that they had ID tags that would definitely be useful to me where I work. First off, let's just say I got a package from them, and I was totally surprised. When you order off MGear, you get these really nice burlap type bags with your gear in it. Of course, a buku of good stickers, and I believe these are Klingon. I'm not sure, but as long as it sticks, that's what matters. Along with that, they sent a note with that, and it says, "Dear Patrick, Merry Christmas. May you and your entire family be safe and well during holidays. Team MGear." And I thought that was really, really cool. Now, what they sent to me, really, in all honesty, I could use at work. It's really helpful to have this stuff as I'm working. Very first thing I did realize is something that I wanted to purchase from them, and I had been talking to them. I don't know if I mentioned it to them or not, but I didn't have to purchase it, and ended up they sent it to me. And what that is a nice ID tag. It's got a little hoop right here for extra keys, or you can put your keys on that, or however you want. And as you can see, I use it for my ID at work. And you don't have to have this band on it. I'll take this off and show you. It's got enough cards in it to keep it from going anywhere, as you can see. But what I have in this to keep it from going anywhere, it does come with a little tool like that, and it's got a bunch of different tools you could use. And of course, I use it for my ID. And one of their cards they also send out with their orders, it's got a little ruler on it, and I believe this is helicopter signs. If you want to land a helicopter as a firefighter, I've landed a ton of helicopters. but I thought that was really cool of them to send this out, and it's made of military grade spec material. It's, like I said, it's made awesome. It's got their logo on the back of it, which is a badass logo in itself. So I thought that was really cool for them to send that. Notice on the bottom of the ID badge there was a little hoop. You can connect another set of keys or whatnot. They also sent this multi-tool keychain, and this I really wasn't expecting. It's magnetized on there pretty good. It takes a good bit of force to break it free. And those are neodymium magnets, really strong magnets. And of course you get your little multi-tool. Instead of the old ones just kind of coming out like this, all this does is get a little spin, and you got your little tool. You got a Phillips. I'll just spread these out for you guys so you can see. It's a little stiff. I haven't used it yet, but I mean, it's gonna come in really handy. You get the Phillips head, you got a knife, you got a bottle opener, you got a flathead. I mean, it's a multi-tool, you guys. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to know what a multi-tool is. And of course, it's on the bottom right here. It's got like cutters or what have you, and on the top it's got a nice bite or whatever you want to call it. And that's not it. For me, what I do at my job is I basically have to take inventory of everything that goes on my belt or on my line or whatever you want to call it. And for that, they sent this, and it's a magnetized notepad, and it's really durable. It's not your average little notebook. Neodymium magnets on the bottom of that to make it magnetized, and to top that off, they sent along a neck pen, and I thought that was really cool. I'll show you just how strong the magnet is. You guys can see that. Thought that was pretty cool, and it's already got notes in it from work on both sides. And again, their logo right there. These guys, I got this right before Christmas, so it was pretty nice to get. Knocked at my door. The mail guy says you got another package, and I was surprised. I was really surprised. They had said they were gonna send a couple things, but I had no idea it was gonna be this stuff. So guys at MGear, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you haven't heard of MGear, their link will be down in the description. They got some awesome gear, EDC type gear, futuristic looking type gear, and it's all durable. Just really awesome gear to have on your person, on your belt, just to have with you. Link will be in the description, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Till the next review, guys, peace.